Hey everybody, our coloring book just dropped on Amazon. We are so excited. It's called the Black Women Portraits Coloring Book with Affirmations, an adult coloring book for women. I want to show you how we took the picture from our cover page, which is actually digitally colored, and used a completely different media. You can find this picture on the inside of the book. We used 2 Copic markers for the hair color. The first color is walnut, and we highlighted the hair color with the color sand. Next, we define the eyes a little more by adding some depth to the eyelashes with a black ink pen. With a dark brown Sharpie, we added a warmer tone to the eyes. Now for the skin color. We used the deep golden crayon for a soft brown skin tone. Next, the lips. We used a deep purple for the lip color. I love the colors of brown and purple together. Next, we're going to use watercolor pencils for the blouse. Pink is going to be a nice color for it. Then we will add some purple dots to the blouse to match her lipstick and the earring color. Now, I'm a Cricut lover, so I had to add a positive quote to the artwork that I downloaded from Cricut.com. And last, a paper flower embellishment. All done. I think she looks nice. Now go buy the coloring book from the link in our bio on Instagram or on our business page on Facebook called Page Martin Books and Art. See you soon. Bye.